You open Google Chrome and suddenly saw that the search engine is replaced by Yahoo search. So in this video we'll see 3 methods to fix this issue. Simply click on these 3 dots, go to settings from here. Now from here go to search engine. Search engine may be selected to Yahoo. Simply click on change and set it to Google and click on set as default. That's it. Now restart your browser for the changes to take effect. The next method, go to these 3 dots, click on settings. From here click on extensions. Now see whether any extension related to Yahoo is installed or not. If it is installed, you can simply disable it or remove it from here. So after you remove the extension, simply restart your browser for the changes to take effect. In the third method, simply go to search and look for add or remove programs. Now here simply search for Yahoo. If you see anything listed related to Yahoo, simply uninstall it. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if this helped. Thank you.